If you want to make your ads more effective, understanding how to adjust the age group demographics in your Google Ads campaigns is essential. Whether your goal is to reach younger audiences or focus on older customers, fine-tuning these settings can significantly improve your targeting and overall performance. Let's walk through the simple steps to make this change. Start by opening your browser and heading to ads.google.com. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In and log into your Google Ads account. Make sure you're using the same account that manages your campaigns. After signing in, you'll arrive at your main dashboard. This is where you can view and manage all your active campaigns. Next, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Campaigns. This will display a list of your ongoing campaigns. Choose the one you want to adjust. Once you've selected your campaign, it's time to head over to the Audiences section. In the Audiences tab, you'll find options that let you define who sees your ads. This section is key because it allows you to narrow your targeting based on age, gender, parental status, and other demographic factors. Now, look for the option that says Edit Demographics. Clicking this will open up detailed controls for adjusting your audience segments. Google Ads may prompt you to select a specific ad group, since demographic targeting often happens at that level. This setup allows you to create different strategies for different ad groups within the same campaign. Once you've selected the right ad group, you'll see a list of age ranges such as 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, and so on. From here, you can include or exclude specific groups depending on your campaign's goals. For instance, if your product appeals more to younger customers, you might focus on the 18 to 34 range. If it's geared toward professionals or retirees, you can target older age brackets instead. After making your selections, double-check your choices and click Save. This step ensures your changes take effect immediately. It's also a good idea to review your campaign's performance after a few days to see how these adjustments impact your results. You can compare key metrics like click-through rate, conversions, and cost per result to gauge improvement. And that's it. You've successfully updated your campaign's demographic settings. By targeting the right age groups, you're not only optimizing your ad spend, but also making your marketing more relevant to your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick, easy to follow guides that help you get the most out of your Google Ads campaigns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.